Hi and welcome to the tutorial on the Beatles' Lady Madonna. It's ranging 4 octaves from A to A, so we have A. This is middle C for reference purposes, and we'll begin with the left hand. So we're playing in octaves. We have A little finger, A thumb, and the verse goes up in octaves. It goes A, C, D, and again. So in octaves again. Repeats this. Does it again. A, C, D, E, F, G, A. So to put that right through, and it's always 5 and 1, it's like this. Okay, the right hand, thumb is in middle C, second finger is on C sharp, D flat, and little finger on A again. Now what we do is we roll from C into C sharp, like that. With every note that we play of the melody here, we play the A all the time. So we're rolling into C sharp, like that. So the C sharp and the A would go down together. So roll again. Now if you can't manage the roll, here's another way of doing it. You can play the two notes simultaneously and immediately release the first one. Okay, so it will mimic the same effect as the roll into the C sharp, but if you can manage the roll, so you're angling your wrist like this, so it'll rotate into the C sharp A. As I say, if you can't manage that, play all the notes at the same time, immediately release the middle C. And it'll mimic the effect, 99.9%. So, the right hand melody. So, it rotates in, releases the C, and then plays the C sharp and A together again. Then C and A, B and A and A. Repeat that. And again. And A and A. And again. B and A. And finish as you began. So all together. Okay, when we put them together, we play together on the first two A's of the left hand. So we're okay. Then we play C, the first C on its own left hand, together. So let's do that again. And again. Now when you get to there, you do the bottom D, rotate the two A's very quickly, and the top D. So let's put that all together. It's alright. That will get you that far. So I'll slow it down and do it again. Now we go up to the E. With the B. And which is the chord of A major. Now putting it all together. Okay, the next little bit, we go back to the A's and we're just going to go. So A, B, C, B, A in octaves on the left, and we're doing the same as the chorus. We go. So, and then C sharp A. Up to B with D this time. Up to C with E flat. B with D. And roll back in. So that's. And double it this time. Do it like this. Okay, putting it all together. Okay, simple way of playing Lady Madonna. Hope you enjoy that and good luck.